how to fix Snapchat device ban in your iPhone. To solve it, first of all, go through your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down and then hit on the general. From there, choose iPhone storage and under the iPhone storage, search for Snapchat application and do offload the Snapchat application, and then go to the App Store and search for Snapchat and reinstall the application. Once you do that, if your problem is not solved still, then go through any browser and then search for help.snapchat.com. From here, select my account is compromised and then scroll down a little bit. There you will see a form. Fill it and then hit on the submit. On the description box, briefly describe about your issue that you want to unban your Snapchat from your device. So in this way you can solve this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.